Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious one-pot stew. First add oil to the pot, then we're going to add anise and stir for a couple of seconds. Then we're going to add sugar and let it cook a little bit until brown. Then we're going to add pork. Stir. The caramelization adds some color to the pork and flavor. Then we'll add stir-fry sauce. Then add water, enough water to cover the meat. Then we're going to add vegetables. And bring it to a boil. Turn down the heat, let it cook for about 40 minutes. Now it's done. It's so simple, delicious. You got to try.